Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we've got a battle of the skies. In the left corner, we have the TOMZON A23 Mini Drone. And in the right corner, we have the TOMZON Brushless Motor Drone. Let's see which one soars high and which one crashes and burns. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about price. The TOMZON A23 Mini Drone is a budget-friendly $39. I mean, that's less than a fancy dinner date. On the other hand, the TOMZON Brushless Motor Drone is a whopping $99. For that price, it better come with a personal butler. So if you're looking to save some bucks, TOMZON is your go-to. Ease of use is next. TOMZON A23 is like the golden retriever of drones, loyal, easy to handle, and great for kids and beginners. One key takeoff and throw to go? Heck, even your pet hamster could fly this thing. Reviewers love how kids as young as 4 can easily use it. Now, the TOMZON, it's got so many features, you might need a PhD to get it off the ground. But hey, if you're up for the challenge, it's got some cool tricks. Reviewers note that while it's a bit complex, the drone offers a rich learning experience. Speaking of tricks, let's dive into features. TOMZON A23 is like that show-off kid in the neighborhood. It can do 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. Basically, it's like a tiny aerial gymnast. Reviewers enjoy the fun flips and spins it can do. But TOMZON isn't playing around. With a 4K adjustable FPV drone and APP control, it's like the Spielberg of drones. Capture breathtaking footage while you pretend to be the next big vlogger. Reviewers are impressed with the 4K camera and smooth flight capabilities. Durability and safety. Because nobody wants a drone that shatters like your heart after a bang. TOMZON A23 is built like a tank. Tough materials, propeller guards, and it can take a beating. Perfect for those inevitable crashes when your little sibling decides to help. Reviewers mention how well it holds up to crashes. TOMZON, on the other hand, comes with extra spare fan blades and a carrying case. It's like the Boy Scout of drones. Always prepared, reviewers appreciate the extra parts and the carrying case for convenience. Flight time. TOMZON A23 gives you 18 minutes of fun, just enough time to impress your friends before it needs a nap. But TOMZON, with its two 1,600 mAh batteries, you get up to 40 minutes. That's almost enough time to rethink your life choices while it's in the air. Reviewers love the extended flight time of the TOMZON, making it ideal for longer sessions. Lastly, extra perks. TOMZON is a great gift for kids, safe, easy, and fun. Reviewers highlight its suitability for young users. But TOMZON, it's got a detailed tutorial, 24-hour customer service, and an electronic fence function. It's like the overachiever in class, always going the extra mile. Reviewers appreciate the additional customer support and tutorial videos, although some have had issues with the app and support quality. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. TOMZON A23 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it perfect for kids and beginners. TOMZON Brushless Motor Drone, on the other hand, impresses with its advanced features, extended flight time, and additional perks. But some users have experienced issues with customer support and the app. So which drone is the ultimate champion? If you're on a budget and looking for something easy and fun, TOMZON A23 is your best bet. But if you want all the bells and whistles and don't mind splurging, TOMZON Brushless Motor Drone is the way to go. Either way, You're in for a flying good time. Thanks for tuning in, Bye Smart Fam! Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're picking up and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.